Today, we're unboxing one of Seiko's best Presage watches, in my humble opinion, and that is the Seiko Presage SRPG25J Japanese Garden. The Japanese Garden range takes inspiration from the Zen-like sand patterns you'll find inside many Japanese Buddhist monasteries. This sand pattern is recreated in the dial of this Presage and makes for a lovely looking dial. With its white dial and leather band, this watch leans towards the dress watch category. On the band, there is this felt texture, which may be hit or miss for you, but I find it quite soft and comfortable. Anyway, getting back to the dial, we have Roman numerals going all the way around with 12 coloured red. Another splash of red is found in the seconds hand, which is nice and thin. The same could be said for the hour and minute hands with their sharp, tapered designs. A date window sits at 3, and other than a few logos, the dial remains quite calm, just like a Japanese garden. Powering those hands is the 4R35 automatic movement with 41 hours of power reserve. Flipping the watch over reveals an exhibition case back to get a peek at that movement. Now, case diameter on this one is quite large with a lug-to-lug of 47.1 millimeters. Thickness is a fair 11.7 millimeters. So overall, this is a watch on the larger side of things. A sapphire crystal tops this one out, and the Presage style threefold clasp keeps this one firmly on the wrist. So there you go, a lovely looking Presage from Seiko. In my opinion, their best looking one. What do we all think about it? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. And give this video a like if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.